Okay, hi guys, we're back. It's now January 13 and we got a little bit more snow. We are now currently in Hämeenlinna in Finland, and I think we have here about 15 to 20 centimeters. In Helsinki, where I live now, it's a bit more. Now in the morning was 55 centimeters, so a lot more, but now it's gonna be more colder. Now it's -9 degrees, and I need to check the Iveco's the antifreeze if it's yeah, actually I know it's not how to say, it's not good enough, so I need to add some more, you know, take the old one out and then add new one, because I don't want to break any parts of the engine or anything else, you know, from there. So let's give it a start. Let's heat up first, and after that we can change the fluid. Let's see if we can start this beast. Okay, so this is not working, so I think the battery is dead. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's try the light. Nothing, so I think the battery is dead. Let's see. Nothing. Yeah, it's totally dead. So this is stuck. I don't know why it is stuck always in here. This is the spare key. Well, let's leave it there. But I need to fix a charger for the engine. I need to open the hood, and the hood is under. As you can see, there's a bit of snow. Need to open the hood to get access to the battery. Sorry. But yeah, this actually worked good. I start the engine. I charge the battery first, and then I start the engine, and I run it about let's say half an hour, and coolant starts circulate everywhere. But I measured it again, and it showed -29. So last time I checked, it was about -18. I took some coolant from there, so I take a little bit off the old one and replace it with the -52 Celsius coolant. So I'm pretty sure that it's okay now. I put a little bit more, and then I run it about 5 minutes, so it circulates a little bit. So that should be okay. Okay, I tried to open the door, so it won't open, so I cannot show you the work I've had done. I did some sandblasting and painting. Yeah, but the back doors are frozen, so I cannot show you, and the side door as well. I cannot go inside. So I don't know if you can see from here. Let's see. You can see paint. Oh, there you can see. Yeah. So painted with epoxy. Also the part in the middle, and you can see. Yep. This is the panel that I took off, and this is now painted with epoxy. But I didn't paint the edges because I need to weld them, and then I can, after that, paint it. And on the other side, I did a little bit of sandblasting. I think I don't have time so much to do work on the car, but yeah, I try to do as much as I can, but now yeah, need to just find the time. And I've been working in Helsinki, and it's 120 kilometers from Helsinki to Hämeenlinna, where I stay in the countryside here. Okay, so this video is gonna be a little bit shorter than normal because I cannot show you inside the van because I don't know, it's frozen and now it's getting late, so I cannot, you know, try to melt the ice in the seals of the door. But yeah, last time I do a bit sandblasting, but I didn't film that because I don't want the sand to go into my cameras because they stop working. So I just show you before and after, you know. Now I can weld the floor pan I showed you earlier. I can weld it back. I have too much work to do now, so I cannot work on the van. And okay, so see you next time. I really hope that I can get more videos out. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe, and we see you on the next episode. Bye.